Hey, you guys, Ken the Don here with all things business, relations, and finance. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys really quick about making wealth real, all right? And how will you make wealth real? It's two easy ways that you can do it. I mean, it's not easy, but with the right help and with the right people in your corner, this is a very effective and efficient way for you to make wealth real, all right? So the first way is your taxes, all right? People pay, I believe it's 1/3 of your income goes straight to taxes. So how can we limit that? How can we bring more money back into our buckets, back into our baskets? Having a home-based business. Having a home-based business opens the door for you, okay? It opens the door for you to over 150 deductions. And you know what deductions are, right? Dollar signs. Oh yeah. 150 deductions. That means 150 different ways you can get your money back. Just to give you an example, like even right now, Wi-Fi, my phone bill. Those two things I can write off because I use it for my business, right? So business owners pay less, and to be able to save between, I think, $2,000 to $10,000 a year in your taxes and just by having a home-based business, that is amazing. And that is just very efficient and effective to me. I don't know about you, but I love saving money and I love being able to invest money. So if I were able to limit the amount of money that I was limit the amount of money that I was giving out and putting more back into my pockets to save and invest more. I don't know about you, but that's gold for me. That won me right there. So that's the goal anyway. At least that's how I've been trained and been raised, which is you save money and then you invest it. You save it and then you invest it. Money has to move. If your money doesn't move, it won't make money for you. All right, and you can get there. You can get to the point where your money is making money for you. All right, so having a home-based business, like I said, it gives you, it opens the door, and it gives you just a free way to begin saving money and to begin creating that wealth and making wealth real for you and your family, all right? So, like I said, it just opens the door, but then you have to have experts, you have to have mentors, you have to have people in your corner who can help you and who can help you achieve every goal that you have in your life, all right? So, having a home-based business helps you save taxes and then you invest the difference, all right? So like I said, that's over 150 deductions, 150 ways to get your money back, all right? The second way is your credit score. That's right, we all know about credit. Credit means the amount of money that you borrow. So if you were able to work on your credit score, limit your investments, as well as raise your score or limit your interest, okay? Because the higher your score, the lower your interest rates are gonna be. The lower they're gonna make you have to charge back for your money, all right? When you get a mortgage, that's money you're borrowing. When you get a car loan, that's money you're borrowing. Car, what? Loan, exactly. So, credit score, fixing your credit score, being able to pay less for the money you borrow. I don't know about you, but that, like I said, those things win me right there. I've been with this company for over 2 years now. It's now 2020, just in case this video, still up there for years. But I started in this business back in 2018, and to be able to have a home-based business, it helped me get my footing back after a bad season in my life. It helped me to grow. It helped me to be a little bit more financial savvy, all right? I didn't just start making videos, all right? I learned things. I listened to the experts. I listened to the mentors. I sent in my credit score and got it worked on and put in the work that it needed, all right? I don't know about you, but I don't have time to work on my credit score. So to have experts and to have people that you can just send it off to and they send you back a date of when you will be debt free, I love it. I mean, it's just so good to me. So like I said, the higher the credit score, the lower the amount you're going to have to charge. All right. You don't have to work. Position yourself for where the experts can do it for you. All right, position yourself to where you have people in your corner who can help you achieve what you want to achieve. It's all about making wealth real. It's all about, not all about the money, but having money makes things a lot more bearable. Having money makes things a lot more easy to do and accomplish. When you have money and when you have experts and people in your corner that can help you keep that money and then invest it, I love it. All right. So we have not only those two areas in your finances where you can save money and such, but you have a group of experts behind you who are pushing you on and who are helping you and who are giving you the necessary tools that you need to succeed. All right. So if you're interested in about making more money and saving money, go ahead and text SAVE or text MONEY to 301-485-9420. Once again, text SAVE or text MONEY to 301-485-9420 and just say, hey, Ken, I want to talk to you more about making wealth real. How can we do that? And let's sit down, let's chit chat. Let's get this ball moving. All right. Let's get this thing on the roll. Let's make wealth real. So once again, like I said, two areas, your taxes and your credit. If you could lower the amount of taxes that you're giving out and open yourself to a door of just more opportunities, and you can raise your credit score and give yourself that wiggle room to breathe. All right. I don't solely rely on credit, but I do know that at the end of the day, if I need to pull a loan, if I need to get a mortgage or extra, if I need to do anything as far as my credit, I know that I'm in the right hands, and I know that I have worked on my credit good enough so that I won't be paying an arm and a leg just to live. All right. We want to make wealth real. That is my goal, is to make wealth real and to have you make wealth real in your life. So you can go ahead, like I said, and text SAVE to 301-485-9420. Also, at the bottom in the description, I believe that I have a link, and it says Ken's Financial. Ken's Financial. You can go ahead and click on that link, watch the video, and sign up and tell me what you think. All right. Tell me what you think. Make wealth real. We can do this, and we can do it better together. All right. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one. Okay.